Why don't I get to sit on the couch?
Because Bones and his girlfriend are sitting here, and this pillow needs to stay here. It's very important. Hey, Rams!
Hope you enjoyed homecoming.
Tonight we have a game against Skyline. Theme is camo.
I'm here with Kavion. And what's your favorite Spider-Man?
Like, what do you mean?
Like actors, Tobey Maguire, Andrew Garfield.
Peter Parker.
Oh, okay. Who's better, Prince or Michael Jackson?
Michael Jackson.
Why?
He got the moves on him.
King of Pop. King of Pop.
King of Pop? I don't know. That's a hard one.
Okay. I'm here with Lucas. All right. Who's your favorite Spider-Man?
Oh, Tom Holland.
Why?
Why? I don't know. He's cool.
Yeah.
I like him. He's a pretty good actor.
Prince or Michael Jackson?
Michael Jackson, man.
Yeah.
I grew up with Michael Jackson. I love Michael Jackson. So hard though, because Prince is also awesome.
I'm here with
Carmen.
So Carmen, how was your homecoming?
It was pretty good. Yeah, I had a good time. I'm not a huge fan of dances, honestly.
Yeah.
But I think this was probably the best one I've been to during high school, so yeah, not bad.
Yeah. So are you excited for fall break?
Yes, I'm very excited because I have a lot of homework and it will be nice to not do that for like 3 days. So.
Yeah. So do you have any plans for fall break?
Yeah, I'm going to Colorado with some of my friends. So.
That's fun.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah.
It's homecoming for you guys.
Yeah, homecoming was great.
It was amazing, you know. I got to dance with my mans and whatnot, so yeah.
Yeah, we was getting lit.
Are you guys excited for fall break?
Yeah, just about to sleep in.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. Like, just sleep in and do nothing at all.
Have you ever got a nail stuck in your tire and thought, oh shoot, do I have to get it replaced?
No, we can fix it. First, you have to take the nail out. Get out. Okay, hold on. Technical difficulties. Okay, you have the nail out.
Once the nail is out, you can now ream the hole to make the plier fit in better. It'll just make the hole a little bit bigger. And once you have that loosened, we're going to take this little strip and get it in there. So you're going to keep going until around here, and then you're just going to pull out and it's going to leave it behind. And you're going to take a spray bottle and spray it around it. And if you see any bubbles forming around the outside, it's going to say that air is still coming out, so it's not completely sealed.
Do you find an insatiable thrill, an unending chill, perhaps an irresistible will to scare?
It's only natural.
This October, it is time to make screams of your very own. Do you value your sanity? Well, you have only sequence must be school broken. Time's ticking.